Hey there. Yeah, usually I'm only writing to you. My English also isn't absolutely perfect, so I hope you understand everything when I'm speaking. I just wanted to take the chance to show you some use cases of the new slash commands and how you navigate through the bot now where the transition is made. So for everyone who hasn't noticed, you can't use normal commands anymore. So whatever you've done before, it doesn't work. That's because the bot can't read the chat anymore at all. Um, I know a lot of other bots like Lumi, Karuta, Tofu, and so on, they all can read the chat. But Discord is, to be honest, yeah, very tough to talk with. They have a support team which is not responding at all if you are unlucky and get the wrong employee. At least that's my experience now, since I'm trying to get 3 months intense. So just for you to understand one more time, what's the problem? When Discord launched, the apps and bots and whatever, they allowed every bot to read everything. And then I think 4 years ago, I think 2021 or something, they started to only give message intent, which is needed for a bot to read the chat, to to bots which really need it. So I don't know, something like profanity filter bots or whatever. Um, Unfortunately, they still give this intent, which is needed for reading the chat sometimes, but nobody knows why. I've talked to multiple other bot devs. Nobody knows why. Sometimes they get accepted, sometimes they need 3 or 4 attempts, sometimes they never get accepted. It's completely random, and yeah, I have had enough. So the problem is, without message intent, we weren't able to join more than 100 servers. That means, well, for a Discord bot, it's impossible to grow if you can't join servers, right? Because every little community where one player finds the bot and wants to play and maybe has a little community server with 10 other players, well, I mean, what is he supposed to do? Tell all of them single handedly that they have to join the main server? That's not gonna work. That's not how growth works. So, yeah, I take the hard decision to transition to slash commands now. And I'm absolutely aware that that has some problems for some players. I mean, I'm playing this bot since 2021. Yeah, started early 21 with Karuta, then transitioned to Tofu and other bots. I've played Sophie and Lumi and so on. And I'm also, I like text commands more. I'm a desktop only user. I'm not using these bots on mobile, and I just enjoy it more to type it out. But whatever it is, how it is, I can't change it. So the transition was needed. That just as a last clarity, so every one of you knows why it had to happen. You can also read more details in our server announcements. Now, in this video, what I wanted to do is show you some things I've come up with to make it easier. Also for myself. I mean, I'm playing my own bot, and um, yeah, the most important thing what I've done is basically trying to connect a lot of commands into one, or that you at least can navigate through one command easily to another. It's not perfect yet, and there's a lot of stuff to do still, but yeah, the main hub for you should be always, from now on, just to do. You can also, if you don't like it, you can also use CD if you want, or you can just ping Wommy wherever with CD or to do. You also, if you ping, you also see the slash command. So it all leads to the same place. And this place was basically the most used command anyway, because you needed to see when your tickets are ready, your rewards are ready, quests are ready, forge are ready, whatever. Um, I found out during playing the winter event that the forge rewards are kind of annoying, so I put them into the claim tickets. That means if you claim your tickets and there are enough forge rewards accumulated, you will automatically claim them with your tickets. So you never have to visit the forge at all if you don't want to level something. So, and here in your hub, just to show it, what I have done, you can, of course, access every single claim or every single source which is listed here during the first dropdown. So if you want to go to the Womster panel or the Quest dashboard or the Forge, combine cards, wishlist, whatever, you can all do that here. You can also refresh it here, by the way. I've used this space, which was previously the bake button, the event button, for the inventory. So you can also access the inventory here now. But I think it was still not enough because I really wanted you as a player to basically only use to do for a majority of your things you have to do. So if you just get used to it, whatever, either pinging Wommy with to do or just /to do /cd, you should basically be able to access like 80% of the bot at minimum, without any other commands ever needed. And yeah, that's what I'm trying to do here to make the / commands more bearable. Yeah, you can join the inventory whenever you want. The inventory is also reworked a bit. The shop is in here now. You can open packs here, so you don't need the open command. You don't need the shop command. You don't need the redeem command. That's all not needed anymore. It's all in the inventory. And on top of that, the newest change is the shortcuts, which is basically a replacement for saved commands, which don't work anymore. And here you can add up to 10 shortcuts, completely based on your own liking. So if you know what you need a lot, right? So if you access often best friend, add it. If you don't visit it often, don't add it, because you can also still access it via best friend, of course, which would be that one. But yeah, you can do it completely on your own. You can also add multiple calculators if you want with special filters. If you click here, you can just use a filter. There's no other command needed anymore. The bot knows already that's calc. So whatever you are checking as HoloLive, and if you can also name it. It has a little profanity check behind, so please don't abuse it, but there is a little check. Yeah, and now it's here, and now you can use it basically forever, and you will see your calculator with HoloLive. I think most of the important things which people use frequently are in. We also have the collection filter. Still another one here on top. You can also just use the cards filter. But if you can also just access your cards if you want. Let's say collection, right? You can also do it that way. And then you will join your collection. And here you have separate filters you can save. You can do that since 2 months, I think. It's not used that often, but it's kind of helpful also to check other collections. So, and yeah, that's it basically. And I just wanted to show it one time because I see a lot of people still using /ticket. It's not needed, right? I mean, it's just an extra click, because after it you want to check something else usually. So just go to do, go always to do, claim your tickets, claim your daily, go to the Womster panel. It's all easy. I have added close buttons everywhere, so it's not spamming so much. If you are done, close it, go to the Quest dashboard, close it, go back, go to the Forge if you want to upgrade something. But like said, the ticket takes over the reward claim usually. If you want to combine cards, you can also do that via here. And whatever else you want to do, you can basically just, add some shortcuts. And my vision for that is that you basically have to use almost no other commands than to do. The event, if another event is happening, will also be in there. You can, with the shortcuts, also go to the stickers and so on. So, yeah, some things which aren't that important, like profile or leaderboards, they are not in here. So these you would have to access manually still. But how often are you doing that, right? So it's just for the main playthrough. What you are doing in Womster, everything should be able to be accessible via to do. That's my vision. So to make it easy, to make / commands bearable and easy to use. And yeah, if you have any ideas how to make it better, if something is missing, if something isn't working, whatever, always just jump into feedback in the official channel, and I will have a look if I can fix it. Thanks for listening. Thanks for watching. Whatever. Have a nice day, and thanks for playing. Bye-bye.